Okay, welcome to the 13th tutorial on HTML. I'm going to be teaching you about the HR tag, which is the horizontal line tag. Horizontal line tag is a tag that creates line in a web page. I'm just write p tag. Remember the p tag, the paragraph tag. I'm just going to write HTML is a markup language, not a programming, not actually a programming language. Okay. HTML is a markup language, not actually a programming language. So I'll just do that. I'll bold this and I'll stop it here. Okay, let me reload this in a web page and see at how it looks like. I'll open this with my Google Chrome. I'll do this like this. I'll zoom in. Okay, so you can see it now. You can see the difference now. You can see HTML is not actually a programming language, it's a markup language. But what if I want to add lines? I'll just move down the HR. This HR doesn't have a close tag, it just has a open tag, which I'll just save and refresh my page. You can see the line. So that's gonna do it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.